Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Richer Curve Professional. Again, so today we bring back with butterfly layer haircut, which is most demandable and most the audience and peoples and whoever coming for a haircut, they most demandedly expecting for these haircuts, which suiting for them well, and also it's running. It's very trendy in these haircuts. Butterfly layers is initially it's makes to the something long hair and to give it to the connected with everything. It's part of the layers and the bounciness will become and volumet will be there, and when they can open the hair it will be completely visible, more flexible layers, and when they tie the hair it will completely come to the under of the pony. Top to bottom is completely layered sequence is used to see in this haircut. So let's dive into the direct to the haircut. So in the top section, the crown section got separated for horseshoe sections, and fringe section also is got separated, and this ear to ear I'm just taking to going to be taped to the separate portions. So this is it will be completely which it's a huge connected up to the layering, which is whenever you can just see the bottoms it will be remain the same the length, and bottom layers it will be at the bottom graduatedly, and the rest of the occipital bone to the mid crown it will become to the more layers. So that is called like something it will completely like butterfly layers, and it will be add huge more layers, and the bottom will be remain the same the length, and rest of the part it will be recreating the layers. So and carry forward they remain the length as well, it will be longer, and top of that it's going to be add the layers. So between the hair it will, whatever is comes to that going to be collapsed to the between the length, and help up to the comb also I'm going to be explain you before start the haircut completely. Let's dive into the directly haircut towards now. So finally in first section I just took like one length basic to the before going to the layers. So that is a basic things which can be need to be add something layers wherever you can just go for any of haircut you can just do. One length basic these things are majorly important for a complete up to the haircut to be carry forward. So now I'll come to the bottom portion, just taking as a graduation. 45 degree and this graduate layers I'm starting. Ensure you have to be take thin section, and according to the give to the complete of the bottom layers. Top of the hair it will be going to be when you release the sections you can just going to be see the directly elevation. So before going to be that side I'm just going to be check to the cross as well. Cross checking. So take the smallest guideline and rest of the hair is just separated, and finally I release the occipital bone to the crown area. I pick from center profile, and as the below itself is a guideline will be there, and taking as a guideline I'm going to before cut the hair I'm just going to show you the guideline wherever it is. That will be a guideline, it's going to be carry forward for towards the layers. So taking as a guideline and rest of the hair elevating. Thin section I'm just going to be take and just adding the layers. For more updates or more informations or anything if you want to inquire, please go to the description. There is mentioned to the links below in the Facebook and Instagram page as well. Go there and follow me in both places, and let me know in the comments below what kind of subject you're looking forward to the next haircuts. So both the side sections going to be finished sooner, and after that this I'm just going to be cross check. after, whenever you just take to the sections, has to be must required to only thin sections, so haircut will be carried forward very clean and neat. So after the haircut completely, I'm cross checking both the sides. So that cut completely got finished. Now I come to another side to be cross check again same way. Now I'm going to be release the side portion. These portions got finished. So before that, the bottom hair I'm released. Now I'm going to be start to the side sections. So before layering as it is, I'm just going to give like one line basic. After that, I pick from the stationery guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be converted in the layers. So after that, I come to another side. Before starting the layer, just give as one line basic in that side too. Finally, I'm just pick from the stationery guideline from the back. Rest of the hair is going to be merged in as layers. After that, I'm cross checking. Same with another side too. So I'm going to be release the horseshoe crown section. So in this, it will be layered. It will become a little bit up to the O direction. This center profile, everything is going to be at the layers, because I want to add some extra layers which can be carried forward more bouncy in the crown portion. So exactly the crown portion itself I pick from the guideline, and rest of the hair I'm just going to be connect towards exactly 90 degree up to all hair. This specifically I'm just taking as a finger should be a bit up to the diagonal forward, because length want to be keep something remain, rest of the hair recreate the more additional layers. So one side will be going to be finished faster. Last section is got pending. It is going to be finished soon. One side is got finished completely. Now I'm cross checking. After that, I'll come to another side. So ensure whenever you start with the layering or elevating whatever it will becomes, ensure the particularly the mention has, so guideline has to be carried forward very clearly, and the elevations, angle, lifting, each and everything, small steps will be completely, it makes the major difference on the haircut. So that's it also is got finished. I'm just cross checking the both the sides got. So finally I'll come to the fringe portion. This is one of my pretty interesting parts, and also it will going to be something like exciting haircuts. Each and every cut and bangs it will be going to be something different. So in this case she have carried something big for it. So in the horizontal section I picked with in the beginning and the rest of there in the zero itself I'm just giving to the pointed texture up to the horizontal base. After that I'll take to another section. Slightly on the section by section I'm just lifting up them to the more gradual towards to the layering base. And one more section. It will going to be finished. So after that I'm just going to be start like giving some curve pattern towards the layers. So this is every time I just taking head forward something. This is my best trick and secrets to be given to the cotton backs or fringes, which will be completely flexible, and at the same time fringes comes to be layers flexibility, and it's give to more bouncy and shinier look to the end of the day. And also you guys have seen after the styling which looks very clearly. So I'm just showing to the messy look the before styling complete of the haircut, how it will be looking forward. So now you can just see the final look complete after the before blow dry. So messy look, you can just have a look completely the how it will visible after the after haircut, the before styling, the natural look, and ponytail also I'm just showing. And finally I'll start with blow dry. So one section is got finished. I'm going to take another side. So initially we're just starting with only with long layers and ensure we're just giving to something more promise for towards to the shortest haircuts as well. So particularly if such haircuts if you are looking, please let me know in the comments below please, and I'll definitely looking forward to those haircuts as well. And look forward, and will be try to be improve more and more. And for more related videos, for even if you want to follow my Facebook page and Instagram, please go to the description. There was mentioned to the link below, and you can go there and just directly join in my Facebook and Instagram page as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends these kind of valuable videos. Every time, particularly all of you purpose, I'm just bringing with most affordable haircut videos, which is easy basis after the tutorial cases of haircuts. So the even side basis also is going to be finished, and just come to with another side. Finally, I'm going to release the fringe portion. So welcome to finally the last fringe section, going to be finished faster. So after this the haircut will be finished and we'll be see the wind up to the sessions. And for any doubts or requirements will be there, please let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely look forward and I'll think about for that. If you really like the video, please hit the like button. So completely the last section fringe portion is got finished and just giving to the more texture on the fringe portions. That will be complete up to the final look. So this is like complete up to the layer haircut, which can be given to something like butterfly layers, and hope you all are the final transformations is pretty much happier. And please let me know in the comments below what and all we done and how was it complete of the haircuts. And please don't forget to share with your friends, and please hit the subscribe button and bell icon as well. And if you really like the video, please hit the bell icon, like button as well. So we'll be meet up to the upcoming freshest subjects and new video. Until take care and be safe.